Hello everybody, Listen Bunny 99 aka Elizabeth Dawson here. Welcome back for more video games lesson videos. How you guys have been doing? Did everybody enjoy their day? Did you guys enjoy your day today? So, before we get started, there are two things I like to show you on today's board. The first one, this young lady's hers is she asking to you see later. She's waiting every day after she tell her about herself a little bit. But they tell her she's waiting every day on there. Bless her heart. Please assign this young ladies. And don't forget to take the next step. There are two ways to that's your choice right here. Right here I talk about. So if you're a fan, the character from the movies, everything else, please sign for today, and please reach out to others if they're a fan of as well. And this one to save our favorite ride at Disney World known as Magic Kingdom in Disneyland. Smash Mountain Ride is my most favorite all time at Disneyland when I was in my preteen. And this swing about it. Please show your support with this. That we want Smash Mountain to stay as the same as it is. Sydney, take the next step. 2 ways right here. If your guys are a fan this way, please reach out other people. If they're a fan of the ride, sign it. Tune them on Change Art for today. So don't give up. In order to win this fight. Just save it. Now let's get back on the video game lesson. Focus. Okay. Hold your horses. Alright. All these videos in this lesson are spoiler ahead. Please finish playing all your favorite video games and everything else first before watch this video. There are a lot of upcoming games that coming out about very soon. DLC and more. Let's wait and see about that. If I go too fast, look it up on the name of the game console for yourself to look it up. Remember, keep the eye on the name of the game and the date when it came out by different game console. So we get started. I better be honest myself, I really want to get this lesson done one and for all. And then I am thinking what I'm going to do next. I am thinking that I need to catch up on my second channel, Elizabeth Dawson. to make more videos. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I am thinking. It took me a long time because I'm busy, like, since I got out the house every day now. Like, ever since I back to college for fall semester. But the fall semester is almost over, about 2 months. Very soon, I will have my vacation soon to visit my older brother, my mom, and my aunt. Because holiday time is coming up. Yes, you guys know my older brother, South Blade 93, known as like Dark Blade 93, known as Info South Blade 95. You know, I'm looking forward to. Okay, before I gonna talk something else, are you guys a fan of Devil May Cry? If you guys have had a favorite character from any game like that, any of those, please comment. And also, remember that I'm out here. Oops, my bad. I wish we have more Emmy scenes of that game series. Come on. I wish. Okay, let's wait and see for next year. Is it for some other game console that use, you know? Alright, let's stop right here. See you next video. Bye.